everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I was editing this video of the last week. Today is Monday, so I didn't have that much content of the whole week, but I have content of Saturday and the Sunday, the weekend days. So I just want to continue. I want to edit this video and just want to shoot this intro for all of you. And yeah, I hope you all will like this video. So yeah, let's get into the video. So today we are going out to have lunch. So one of my cousin aunt Bua, she got married in Jammu. So she's here with her daughter and her grandson. So we are going out for a lunch with them. So yeah, see you in a while.
जो हम बनाते हैं वो हम सब बाजार में सेलिंग कर देते हैं। इसमें जो भी उसमें 25% कम कर देगा।
लाइट के वजह से आ रहा है अच्छा, रीजन अभी भी अच्छा नहीं आ रहा है।
मैंने कहा आज आप कश्मीरी खाना खाओ। हम भी खाएंगे ना। दे दो उनको, दे दो। हाँ? राजमा का खाता। राजमा? ठीक ठीक घूमो तो। है ना सर।
ऊंचाई दीदी
आवा मैं तो खूब ना खो गई आवा
कश्मीर का खाना
मैंने कहा रोज खाती हो लद्दाखी है ना डिश आज कश्मीरी डिश खाओ
दे दो
हाँ जी
आप ही आ जाओ
हाँ ये वाली
छतरी रखो नीचे छतरी नीचे रखो
The next morning.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So again today is Sunday and I couldn't vlog this whole week because I was I don't know, I just don't wanted to and it was my period week. So today is Sunday and it's afternoon right now, and until now the weather was really good. It was kind of cloudy as well as it was like not raining, and it was a pleasant weather overall. So then I thought that I would take a shower and get ready, and I'll go somewhere outdoor by the Indus River to have me time and just to chill and relax. And I got ready and I packed my lunch, some snacks, some board games, and then some one of my book that I'm currently reading and my journal notebook. But then when I see outside, the weather has become sunny now, and I don't think I can go in this sunny weather. So yeah, I think I might have lunch here only and have my me time in my room only. Here is my lunch. I've packed everything, the bed sheets and some snacks, diary and my book. Just got changed into a comfortable dress, and now as I already had my lunch, I'll be binge watching some Netflix shows and some YouTube videos, and then maybe in the evening I'll go to the market to get some cake. Watching their Varkala or Kerala trip ka vlog, and then we'll be watching some Netflix. I'm here 5 or 6 times already, so I don't need to enjoy and see what's there because I know everything now. Okay, guys, so it's around 7 p.m. and I am going out to the market. I'll get some cake pies and candles, and I don't know after that what's our plan. That's my special masala. Secret, not just special. We're making chicken today. And boil vegetables. 7 or 8 when I came in this room. So we'll quickly get the cake ready